affected area, the presidential range from Mount WEBSTER to Mount Madison including Crawford Notch State Park. Avalanche watch criteria may also be met in other areas outside those forecast by the Avalanche Center. Avalanche danger. The avalanche danger for the warning area will increase through Monday with very dangerous avalanche conditions on or below slopes greater than 30 degrees. Natural avalanches will be likely. Travel in avalanche terrain is not recommended. Recent impacts. Recent heavy snow combined with steadily increasing winds will create unstable conditions likely to produce large avalanches. Wind from the north-northwest is forecast to increase from 40 to 80 miles per hour by Monday evening, with higher gusts. Stay off of, and out from underneath, east, southeast, and south slopes steeper than 30 degrees. Avalanches may run long distances and into flat terrain. Similar avalanche danger may exist at locations outside the coverage area of this or any avalanche center. Consult the current avalanche advisory at www.mountwashingtonavalanchecenter.org for more detailed information.